Hey guys, I'm so excited to be showing you guys how to do DIY Moonsand. All of our kids at the place love Moonsand, so I'm really excited to show you guys how to do it. Let's get started. First, you guys will be needing flour, food coloring of any kind. I chose blue and red, I hadn't decided yet. We have some glitter in case you want to add some. Baby oil, any brand is fine. I got mine from Dollar General. Flour, which I'm sure a lot of people have laying around the house. And any mixing bowl or container that you want to make your Moonsand in. So the first thing you want to do is get 2 cups of flour to start with. You're going to put it in your bowl. Empty that out. Then you're going to do 1 cup of baby oil. This is fun to do with your child. It's a good fine motor activity. They're squeezing from the bottle, of course, with your supervision. So once you got your cup there, you're going to add that to the mix. 1 cup. After you've poured that in, you're going to add 2 more cups of flour. This is honestly the most fun part for the kids because they get to use their hands and they get to do something with you. You can play some music to enhance the sensory experience. Another thing you can do for those that don't like their hands getting dirty is you can put some gloves on, or you can spray your hands with cooking oil so that the flour doesn't stick to your hands. Then I'm going to add some blue food coloring just to make it more fun and enjoyable. At our center we have blue and purple Moonsand, so it's familiar to a lot of our kids. And then you're just going to continue mixing. You're going to add some more food coloring. I ended up finding that I had to use the entire container of food coloring just because of the density of the flour and the baby oil. It's really thick. So just make sure if you have food coloring lying around, you can either mix colors, but you want to use at least 1 full container of food coloring. Once you have this sand at the consistency that you want, you can get some molds or cookie cutters, or if you have any pails from last summer, you can use those as well. It is a softer version of sand. It's really fun to play with. I think that Our clients really enjoy it, and this can be a fun sibling activity as well. You can sift it, make different things. They can also smell it. It smells like baby oil. If you wanted to, you could also add essential oils to enhance the smell or change it. And that's that. I hope everyone enjoys and has a great time making this activity. Bye everyone. I hope you all enjoy making this moon sand, and much love from South Chicago and the place.